ABC7 First Alert. I'll give you the bad news first. It's still going to be a hot day tomorrow. We're still going to be in the triple digits, but the good news is twofold. First of all, I think the worst of the heat now is behind us. And secondly, we're going to start to see increased chances for some rain. Yeah, we'll have to deal with some thunderstorms, but we do have rain in the forecast now all the way into next week. All right, this was a storm we were watching. This one was a pretty good one. We were showing you on Doppler radar even at 5 o'clock. Look at that. Then it started to weaken as it makes its way towards the north now, but we had some pretty gusty winds out of it, some pretty heavy rain. You folks around Hockett, there's Salem. There's a few scattered showers making their way towards the Hatch area. Nothing real heavy. These are generally some light to moderate showers out there. Then we make our way into White Sands. Pretty good storm here. We got some lightning, so it is a thunderstorm. And notice a little bit of some of the pinks here, the purples. We might be able to pick up a little hail, small hail, maybe some pea-sized hail in and around White Sands. We got Ripley Street right here, maybe a few sprinkles. The heaviest stuff is just right into the White Sands area. All right, here's what we're going to be watching. Van Horn out of Hudspeth County and Culberson County for later on tonight. Some of these showers, if they can survive their trip, they're making their way to the northwest, so we can't rule out seeing some of this rain as we get around 9, 10 o'clock tonight, and realize we could see some gusty winds. We're talking about maybe gusts to 35 miles an hour with a little blowing dust and sand. Again, if we see some of this, maybe around 9, 10 o'clock for tonight. 104 in Deming, that was the high. 105 in Las Cruces, 107 out at the El Paso Airport. You can see 103 in Sierra Blanca, Alamogordo. You folks hit 102 degrees. Look at the temperatures area-wide. Amarillo, the high temperature 108. The hottest ever in Amarillo came in 2017, and they hit 111 degrees. Lubbock's at 111, the hottest for them. You have to go back to 1994. They hit 114 degrees in Lubbock. Again, we're at 107, and we're battling the hottest temperature. Look at 1994. We strung together all these days, and then June 30th, we hit 114. That was the hottest ever temperature. And this is what we are right now. We're stringing together several days, 6 days as well, where we had 109, 108, 107. Not quite as hot as 1994, but certainly it's been a hot period of time. All right, watch over the next 7 days. 103 tomorrow, 102 on Thursday. We progressively get cooler into the 90s as we make our way into the weekend. That really sounds like a big cool down for you, 98, 99. And there's the records. We're not expecting any record high temperatures. 105 for you folks in Socorro, Clint at 103, Doñana County. Here's what we're looking at, 104 in Vado, 103 in La Mesa. 78 overnight tonight. Tomorrow, we're looking at 103, about a 20% chance of a thunderstorm. 74 in Las Cruces. Your high temp will make it up to 102. Watch over the next several days. We got temperatures gradually cooling down. The rain chances, though, hang with us into next week. Sports is next.